Welcome to my channel Dentist Mom, everything dental, parenting and my life in general. Well, we all are stuck at home right now because of whatever that is going on in the world right now, praying for it to get over soon. But I feel that staying at home, the most who is suffering is a kid. All of our children. They are suffering not just physically, they are not able to play, jump, run, but they are also suffering psychologically more than us. We are adults, we can understand what is going on. We are waiting for a cure or for this time to just pass on. But a kid, they are not able to understand clearly what is going on, and they don't even know. Some of them don't even know. So how are you keeping your kids busy at this difficult time? Well, the easiest way right now to keep your kids busy is to make them read, and read. For reading, all you need is a couch and a good book. Now, the problem is that many kids do not have reading as a hobby. Now, my kid loves to read. I love to read. So making reading a hobby for him was not all that difficult for me. But most of the time, parents, adults are not convinced that they should force their kids or make their kids read books. Why reading is so important? Well, reading not just increases knowledge for your kids. Obviously, if your kid is reading books on variety of topics, his knowledge is increasing, his vocabulary is increasing. But other than that, there are many benefits of reading. Now, the first benefit is empathy. He reads a book and he reads about a character in that book who is not in a good condition or in a condition different than your child. Then child tries to understand the situation of that particular character. That character can be an adult or a kid himself, but the child is at least trying to understand what situation someone else is in. So that definitely increases the empathy quotient in your child's social behavior. Second benefit is that your child starts to socialize. First with the characters in the book and then later on with the friends around him. Because when you make your child read a book, even when he or she is small, you introduce them to a lot of people. Fairy, rabbit, and lion, and so many other living characters. So the kids, they start getting to know these characters. So that is one form of socializing. You can call it virtual socializing. So once they start making friends with all these book characters, they start to make friends even with people around them. Now, the third benefit of reading is that even though you're sitting in your room comfortably, you can visit so many places. Your child can see a stadium through the eyes of books. Your child can visit a city, a country, another planet. What's not there to like in this? My child loves to read books on universe. So he knows so much about these planets and their satellites and whatnot, that he recently created a brochure in which he explained about a resort which is there on the moon of planet Mars. Now that is something very creative, a whole new world, a very new imagination. Now, in spite of all these advantages of reading, what is the most difficult part in it? Why can't we make our kids read easily? Well, that is because we are not including ourselves in their hobby. We are not sitting with them when they are young and read those books ourselves too. I don't like to read. I will not read. At this age, I will not start to read. Well, you don't have to read it for yourself. You have to sit with your child and read a particular book. So when you read together, the child starts to inculcate a habit where reading starts coming naturally to him. It is not as easy as it may sound, but yes, it is a start. Age is just a number. Whether your child is teenager or a toddler, you can introduce books to them. Only thing is you have to include yourselves in that reading. The difficult part is not to introduce reading to the kid. Difficult part is including yourself in that activity. So I just feel that because reading has so many benefits and advantages in a difficult situation like this, in a very peculiar situation in which we all are stuck right now, we are all at home, reading is one such hobby which can keep your children very busy in a very, very productive and good manner. Reading is not like some other activities which can leave a bad impact on your child. No, it will always leave a good and productive impact on your child. Whether the child is reading a story or a non-fictional thing, he's always gaining knowledge. Vocabulary is increasing, his knowledge about universe, stars, or maybe something about animals, dinosaur world is increasing. So start reading books to your kids, start reading books with your kids, and start inculcating this hobby habit in your kid. Believe me, trust me, I'm a dentist, I'm also a mom. This habit will only increase the productivity of your child. It will always help him or her in future, and we always want good for our kids. So why not pay a little attention and bear some more, just be tolerant about something which we don't want to do, and help our child to read some books. So yeah, that is it. Start reading today with your kids, for your kids, and yes, you will not regret it. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Everything is given in the description box, my Instagram handle. Please follow my Instagram handle, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.